In this video, you'll learn how to edit your profile on WordPress. By following these steps, you'll be able to update your personal information and preferences effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, you should see the home page with various options for logging in or creating a new account. If you are not signed in yet, look for the login button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button and you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you input your username and password, click the login button to access your account. After successfully logging in, locate the Sites option in the menu. This is typically found on the left sidebar. Clicking on Sites will take you to a page that lists all your WordPress sites. Ensure you are on the correct site before proceeding. Next, find and click on the Profile option in the sidebar. This will direct you to your profile settings. You should see a layout that displays various options related to your account settings and profile information. Once you are on the profile settings page, look for the My Profile link. Click on this link to access your profile details. This section allows you to view and edit your profile information. In the profile editing area, click on the Profile tab. This will open options to change your public display name, web address, and About Me section. Each of these sections can be modified to reflect any updates you wish to make. To change your public display name, click on the relevant field and enter your new name. After that, you can also update your public web address by clicking on the corresponding field. Ensure that the new address adheres to the guidelines set by WordPress. Next, you can edit the About Me section. Click on this field to provide a brief description of yourself. This information can help other users understand more about you and your interests. Once you have made all the necessary changes, it is important to save your updates. Look for the Save Profile button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to ensure that all your changes are recorded. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your profile has been successfully updated. But if you are working with a large amount of data or images, consider checking your internet speed, as slower connections may result in longer upload times. Additionally, make sure you have sufficient storage available on your WordPress account to accommodate any new changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.